Vayakhel Moshe es kol adas b'nei Yisrael. Moshe Rabbeinu gathered, assembled the people together. What was Moshe Rabbeinu trying to achieve? Says Rabbi Yaakov Kamenetsky, he was trying to repair the damage done in last week's Sedra in Parshas Kisisa, where we of course read about the sin of the golden calf, the chet of the Egel Hazav. Says Rabbi Yaakov, the Yerushalmi says that there was not one singular Egel, as perhaps we may think, but says the Yerushalmi there were 12 Agolim. Why? Because each Shevet wanted their own particular calf, their own particular god. They couldn't agree on what type of god to have, so each one fashioned their own one. You see, says Rabbi Yaakov, that at the time of the sin of the golden calf, there was terrible division and disunity amongst the Jewish people. It wasn't like that a little bit earlier. When they were at Matan Torah, at Har Sinai, the Pasuk says, Vayichel Yisrael neged har. Rashi famously quotes the Chazal that it's in the singular, Ish echad belev echad, to convey the idea that the Jewish people were one entity. There was Achdus at Matan Torah. That fell apart very quickly at the time of the Egel, as manifested by the fact that each Shevet wanted their own little Egel and 12 were produced. And therefore, to repair that damage, Moshe Rabbeinu gathered the whole people, Vayakhel Moshe es kol adas b'nei Yisrael, to again unite them in a singular mission to build the Mishkan, with the objective of HaKadosh Baruch Hu's Shechina once again residing amongst the Jewish people with a united Achdus amongst them.